Impressive bonfire, Sazzle.
Yes, it is.
Is it warming you?
Oh, it's warming my cockles.
What are you playing with in the background?
Me hive.
Good morning, guys. It's a Saturday morning for us. It's Bonfire Day.
Bonfire Day.
Bonfire Day because it's the day and it's going to be Bonfire Night tonight.
It's must be a new event.
Nick is currently playing with
Hive. We got Hive. So we can now turn the heating on when we're on the motorway on the way to the lodge. And I can control it from the phone, so when we go out, I'll just show you because I'm a bit excited and I like this geeky thing. So right now, in the lodge, it tells you the temperature is 20, you can't see it properly, 20.6 degrees Celsius, and it will come on when it gets to 20 because it's higher. So watch this, watch this, watch this. Turn the temperature up, 25, and then it should say now heating. There we go. And then the boiler's just kicked in. So the radiators will come on and it gets nice and toasty.
Fancy.
Alexa, set the thermostat to 24 degrees.
The heat's set to 24.
The heat is on. Woo! Alexa, set the thermostat to 20 degrees.
The heat's set to 20.
So we can now be slobs and not get off the sofa and higher and lower the heating.
And you can take the thermostat off the wall and take it with you into another room so it keeps the temperature of that room as well.
So yes, it's a Saturday, it's Bonfire Night tonight.
Sazzle's here.
Sazzle's here, we're waiting for her to come. We're going to take her out to the garden centre, which we've already actually been to and vlogged, but we're going to take her there anyway. It's been raining like mad all night. So the planned bonfire on on the ground, on the park is probably saturated.
So they're going to need some petrol, I think, to start it.
But we'll see how tonight goes. If we don't go to the bonfire, then we're certainly going to the pub because they've got pie and peas on special.
The car park that's in the centre of Hornsey, and all the shops go around it. All the roads, humongous car park.
Well, do you know where the
We're on our way to Hornsey Garden Centre. If I can get a word in edgeways.
Iceland?
No, didn't Iceland?
You mean herons?
Herons?
Yeah.
Is it herons?
Sarah's
Yeah.
been shopping in
Opposite
Hornsey.
herons.
She's trying to tell a story.
Yeah. It's like a kid's school, not a high school.
Oh yeah,
There's a nursery in the
junior nursery.
Hi, Sazzle.
Hi, you alright?
Yeah.
Good.
What have you been doing this morning?
Been to Hornsey shopping?
Don't ask her where, for God's sake, we just had last 10 minutes trying to describe it.
To a craft fair at Hornsey Nursery.
So now we're taking Sazzle and...
Looking for Christmas trees!
Are you?
Again?
You've got about 12.
Oh my God, there's something wrong with you.
I don't know I don't know how to get him on over. See it.
What,
You're elite dots.
You're actually serious?
Yeah.
Why would you buy one from there when you can buy one from work?
We don't like one to work.
They're all the same.
They're not.
They are in here.
They're not.
Have you been in?
Yes.
When?
Work or here?
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 Oh no, I've not been in here.
Oh, we haven't, the same as work.
Well, we're checking it out because we've been to Tongue and we've been to...
Why do you need another garden centre? I mean, why do you need a Christmas tree?
Because we need a new one.
What happened to one you bought last year?
We didn't buy one last year.
What, the year before then?
Did we buy one the year before?
Yes.
Paul's got that one.
Yeah,
Paul's got that one.
Are you going for fibre optic?
Yeah. I don't like putting lights on, they stress me out.
Buy a pre-lit one then.
And I might partake in one of those humongous scones with cream that they have here.
Wants a cup of tea.
Yay!
Do you want a scone?
Is it a scone or a scone?
Scone. I say scone.
Scone.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. So Sazzle, they have a pets department here.
Ooh.
Might you want to have a look?
Yeah.
Never went in that.
It says there, aquatics and pets department. I'm going to say display.
Oh.
You having a scone, Sazzle?
We'll see what it is.
I might have a scone because I'm posh.
Don't have to soup, it's the same one as today.
Stop.
Being healthy, and I've got a giant scone. Oh my lord! But look at what it's got to. Homemade vanilla slice, and it's the most amazing vanilla slice I've ever tasted.
It's not even like custard, it's just solid cream and vanilla-y things. And it's so heavy, I'm gonna have to stick it on.
Nick's eating his dessert first. I'm waiting for my panini to come.
Sazzle's still making a choice. I'll be surprised if I'm getting salmon and broccoli fish cake with chips and peas.
I'll be surprised if she don't come back with a vanilla slice. Oh, she's got a scone.
Sazzle?
Small scone for you, Sazzle?
I meant dessert.
I haven't.
Haven't had a dessert?
Nope.
Why?
Don't know.
That is the best vanilla slice I've ever tasted.
Really?
Some crap that he does on his.
That's Owlet. That's Catboy.
Yeah, that's the expression I pull when he it's gecko, Sarah, it's gecko.
Should we buy this cat? I think I prefer the white one.
This is a family video, you know.
I think I prefer this white one.
Well, I hope you don't do that to your cats.
Oopsies.
Fling them up floor.
What are you looking for, Sazzle?
A tree?
Are we in 1999?
She took you.
So, Sazzle, what did you buy after that 1 hour walking around that shopping at that garden centre?
Oops, I've come out wrong way.
A cherry scone.
You walked around a garden centre for an hour and bought a cherry scone. Did you really need a cherry scone?
We do, with a cup of coffee after.
So it's evening now. We've come back from the garden centre.
Yeah.
And where are we going now?
We're going to watch the bonfire for 2 seconds.
Well, I liked it.
Yeah, and then we're offering for a
Pie and peas.
cider.
Are you not having
Mulled
mulled wine down there?
Mulled wine and hot dogs, come on.
Oh, we might have mulled, but I don't know.
So it's slightly lit. Are you impressed, Sazzle? Where's your sparklers?
Oh, we had them earlier.
Oh, are you getting some?
Yeah.
How much is it? I'm not keen on mulled wine. I'm not keen on mulled wine, Sazzle, are you?
I like it.
You want some?
How much is it?
I don't know.
Happy Bunny, £18.
Chubby bunnies.
Chubby Bunny. Fluffy Bunny.
This one.
Hi.
Hi, Donna.
Hi. Do you want a flashy £3?
Flashy, no.
You're not flashing
No,
today?
thanks, no.
No. It's not in a flashing mood today.
More in a mulled wine mood.
You don't even like it.
I know, but I'll try it.
With all the wine on it.
That's
With all the wine.
I'll get you a hot dog now, Pet, yeah.
Are you having some?
No, I'll just try it.
It warms the soul.
I'm not keen on it.
I love mulled wine.
Do you like any wine? Do you like any wine?
I know, that's true.
It's like a mini wine club.
It is. Mini Mold Wine Club.
You never toasted a marshmallow before?
Nope.
I'd not
Never
told
been
the day.
camping?
I've been camping, but we've never toasted a marshmallow.
Impressive bonfire, Sazzle.
Yes, it is.
Is it warming you?
Oh, it's warming my cockles.
It's not warming mine because I'm too bloody far away from it.
Yeah, they look beautiful. They landed far away.
A bit cold, Sazzle.
At the moment,
sauce and I still can't taste it.